In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can recover up to 30% of your abandoned carts inside of Shopify with just a simple integration. But first, you might be wondering, why should I trust this guy? So I will just ask one of my colleagues. Hello.
Hi, I'm Grace, an AI phone agent, and I work at Ringly.io.
Me and my colleagues have handled thousands of inbound and outbound calls for e-commerce companies, earning multiple awards for our app along the way. In fact, hundreds of e-commerce stores are already using our AI agents, and we're confident you'll love them too.
Good luck with the rest of the video.
Thank you. Okay, with that out of the way, we can start setting up our abandoned cart agent to recover all our abandoned carts inside of Shopify. So to do that, we first need to create a Ringly account. I've already got a Ringly account, so I'll just log into mine. So if this was the first time you created an account, you will be redirected to the agents page, and from there you can click on create new. And in here we can select the template. So in the template, all the functions we need for the abandoned cart agents are already set up for us. So we want to select the abandoned checkout agent. So once you've done that, you will land in this page. And this is the page where we can actually start setting up the agent. So for the template, everything is already filled in, and you can just adjust it to your preferences. So for example, if I want to change the voice, for example, if I want to go with Andrew's voice, I can select this voice and it will be updated straight away. And there are also a lot of other options you can customize here. I won't go into detail because I have another video explaining how to set up your agent. But like I said, for this template, everything is already set up to work for an abandoned cart agent. So the only thing we need to do is connect it to Shopify and the agent will be fully functional. The only thing you need to keep in mind while setting up this agent is that in the template prompt you can see that we added some discount codes in the agent. So the agent is able to give out discount codes to your clients. You need to change those, of course, to discount codes that actually work. And if you don't want to use discount codes, you can just delete the sections where the discount codes are mentioned, and you can just change up the prompt to make it work like you want to. So like I said, we need to connect the agent to Shopify. I've already made a video about how to connect that in detail. But for now, if you want to connect it, you can just click on the intercom chat widget, and you can just select the how to connect your AI phone agent to Shopify article. And once you're there, it will guide you through all the steps with setting up your Shopify app inside of your Shopify store. So for this example, I have already done that. So I can just select my store, and Ringly will tell you that your Shopify store is connected. So the next thing we need to set up in terms of the Shopify connection is we want to select a trigger for our agent. So a trigger pretty much means that when something happens outside of Ringly, the agent will call the customer when the conditions are met. So for our example, we want to call people that abandoned their cart in Shopify, and Ringly has a built-in trigger for that. So we want to use that trigger. So if we just click on add trigger, you can see here that you can also select triggers from Zapier. So Zapier has a lot of integrations, and you can use pretty much any trigger you want from Zapier. But for our agent, we want to select the inbuilt trigger, which is abandoned checkout trigger. So if we just click on that, the trigger will be automatically added to your agent. And now our trigger is fully functional. So now when a user abandons their cart in Shopify, they will get a call from this agent. If we want the agent to be able to make phone calls, we need to connect a phone number to it, of course. This process is pretty straightforward. You just want to search for first the country you want to buy a phone number from, and then you want to select the area code. So for instance, 315, hit search, and then it will display all the phone numbers that are available, and you can buy one from there. So once you go through all the steps and actually buy the phone number will automatically be connected to your agent. And as you can see, the price of the phone number is just $5 a month. But if you decide to go with the paid plan, you get a free phone number or even multiple phone numbers, depending on your plan size as well. So now we're pretty much done for our setup page, but there are still a few more features that we can add to our agent. So for instance, if we want to add some more knowledge to our agent, we can go to the knowledge section. And if you just click on new content, we can just upload things like text, a file, and even websites and YouTube videos. When the agent doesn't know the answer to a question, it will query the knowledge base and get an answer through there. So some other things we can add to this agent are some actions. And because we've selected the template, 2 of the Shopify actions are already added to this agent. So for instance, if the user gets a call and still has some questions about his order status or product info, the actions are already added, so they can get any information about the products. So now the agent is fully set up and functional. So every user that abandons their checkout will get a call from this agent. Keep in mind that there is 5 minutes between when a user actually abandons their cart and when they get a call. So when you want to test it by actually abandoning your cart in Shopify, you need to wait 5 minutes before you will actually get a call. So for this example, I will just use the test your agent feature instead of Ringly. So I filled in my phone number right here and I will just hit call me. So it will give me a call just like it would when I would have abandoned my checkout.
Hi, is this Ruben?
Yeah.
Hi, this is Nova from Ringly. I noticed you left some items in your cart, and I wanted to check if you had any questions about your order or if there's anything I can assist you with.
I was just a bit hesitant about the price of the product.
I completely understand, Ruben. Pricing can be a big factor in making a decision. Thanks for sharing that with me. If it's helpful, I'd be happy to offer you a special discount to complete your purchase today.
Yeah, that would be great.
Great. Let me quickly confirm the discount for you. Good news, Ruben. I can offer you a 20% discount on your entire order. Just use the code ORANGLY20 at checkout. This offer is valid until the end of the day. Would there be any reason you couldn't use it today?
No, I don't think so.
Fantastic. Head over to your cart and use code ORANGLY20 at checkout to complete your order. We'll process your shipment right away. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No thanks.
Thank you for your time, Ruben. Enjoy your shopping and have a wonderful day.
Thank
Ending
you.
the call.
So as you could hear, that worked perfectly. So if you want to create your own agents for your Shopify store, you can head to the first link in the description to get access to a free account and start recovering abandoned checkouts in Shopify today.